Certain foods possess remarkable properties that can naturally support kidney detox, promote their repair, and enhance their overall function. Today, we'll count down the top 10 foods that detox your kidneys, giving you practical science-backed ways to support these vital organs. Please stay tuned as we progress. Numbers 1, 2, and 3 on the list are powerful yet often underrated superfoods that are common. First up, watermelon. It's not just a summer treat, it contains citrulline, which increases urine flow and helps your kidneys flush out toxins. Watermelon is incredibly hydrating, and its low potassium content makes it especially kidney-friendly. Both the red flesh and white rind have benefits, plus antioxidants like lycopene to reduce inflammation. Enjoy it fresh, in smoothies, or as a chilled salad with lime. It's a sweet way to care for your kidneys without extra sugar or salt. Next time you're thirsty, reach for watermelon, your kidneys will thank you. Let's move on to number 9, cranberries. These little red gems are more than just a festive decoration. They're a powerhouse of benefits for your urinary tract and kidneys. These tart berries are rich in proanthocyanidins, special compounds that play a crucial role in preventing urinary tract infections. These proanthocyanidins work by preventing bacteria, particularly E. coli, from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract. Think of it as a natural non-stick coating. This reduces the likelihood of infection taking hold. Fewer infections mean less stress on your kidneys. When your urinary tract is healthy, your kidneys don't have to work as hard to filter out harmful substances resulting from infection, and less inflammation throughout your urinary system. Chronic inflammation can damage the delicate tissues in your kidneys, so keeping it at bay is essential. Repeated infections can cause long-term kidney damage, potentially leading to scarring and impaired function over time. So prevention is key. Incorporating cranberries into your diet is a proactive step you can take to safeguard your kidney health. Choose unsweetened cranberry juice or dried cranberries with no added sugar to maximize the positive impact on your kidneys. Sprinkle them on oatmeal for a tangy twist to your morning routine. Add them to salads for a burst of flavor and added nutrients. Or make cranberry-infused water for a refreshing and hydrating beverage throughout the day. It's the pure, natural compounds within the cranberries that do the heavy lifting for your kidneys, providing protection and support. Protect your kidneys and urinary tract with this easy, delicious addition to your diet. It's a simple yet effective way to promote overall kidney wellness. Cranberries are a simple way to start supporting your kidney health, offering a natural defense against infections and inflammation. Number 8. Red bell peppers, packed with vitamins A and C, B6, folic acid, and fiber, but low in potassium. Too much potassium can overwhelm damaged kidneys, so these peppers are a safe, flavorful choice. Their antioxidants help reduce inflammation and protect your kidneys. Enjoy them raw, roasted, or in stir-fries for a nutrient boost. The bright red color means more carotenoids, linked to lower cancer risk and better immune health. Grab some red bell peppers next time you shop. They're a delicious way to support your kidneys. 7. Garlic. This kitchen staple, found in almost every cuisine around the world, is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's loaded with allicin, a compound released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin is a natural anti-inflammatory that helps reduce swelling in your kidneys. Inflammation can hinder kidney function, so reducing it is a key step in maintaining kidney health. Garlic also lowers blood pressure, which is often called the silent killer. High blood pressure is a major factor in kidney health, as it can damage the delicate blood vessels within the kidneys over time. Beyond inflammation and blood pressure, it even helps detox heavy metals from your system. These include heavy metals like lead and cadmium, which we can be exposed to through environmental factors and certain foods. These heavy metals can strain your kidneys, making it harder for them to filter waste and maintain overall health. Think of garlic as a biological vacuum cleaner for toxins, actively working to keep your system clean and your kidneys functioning optimally. To maximize its benefits, use fresh, crushed garlic whenever possible. Whether you prefer it raw or cooked, try to incorporate it into your daily meals to get the most benefits. Add it generously to soups, stews, or roasted veggies for a flavorful and kidney-friendly boost. Your kidneys and your taste buds will thank you for this simple yet powerful addition to your meals. Garlic is a small change with big benefits, offering a natural and delicious way to support your kidney health. Number 6. Apples. High in soluble fiber like pectin, apples help lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar, easing your kidneys' workload. They also help alkalize your body, reducing irritation for your kidneys. Rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, apples protect kidney cells from damage. Low in sodium and potassium, they're a perfect snack for kidney health. Enjoy them raw, baked, or in smoothies. An apple a day really does keep your kidneys happy. Keep it classic. Choose apples for daily kidney support. 5. Turmeric. Its star compound, curcumin, reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in your kidneys. Chronic inflammation can lead to scarring and reduced function, so turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory boost. Add it to smoothies, soups, or roasted veggies. Just pair with black pepper for better absorption. Turmeric may also support healthy blood pressure and blood sugar. Spice up your meals and protect your kidneys with turmeric. It's a golden choice for kidney health. Number 4. Cabbage. Low in potassium, high in vitamins K, C, and B6, it's perfect for kidney protection. Cabbage helps detox your digestive tract and liver, reducing the toxin load on your kidneys. Rich in phytochemicals and antioxidants, it fights inflammation and promotes tissue repair. Add it raw to slaws, sautéed, or in soups. It's affordable, versatile, and easy to find. Don't overlook cabbage. It's a simple way to keep your kidneys detoxed. Add more cabbage to your plate for whole body benefits. 3. Blueberries. More than just a breakfast topping. Packed with anthocyanins, they reduce inflammation and fight oxidative damage in your kidneys. They're low in sodium and potassium, making them safe for most kidney-friendly diets. Blueberries also provide vitamin C and fiber, supporting healthy blood pressure and blood sugar. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, salads, or enjoy as a snack. They're easy, portable, and require zero prep. Blueberries are a tasty way to protect your kidneys. 2. Lemon water. Start your morning with it to help prevent kidney stones. Lemons are rich in citrate, which breaks down calcium oxalate deposits, making it harder for stones to form. Lemon water keeps you hydrated and supports your liver, helping your body eliminate toxins before they reach your kidneys. It's a refreshing, low-calorie alternative to sugary drinks. Squeeze half a lemon into warm water or add slices to your bottle. Rinse your mouth after to protect your teeth from acidity. Lemon water is a small habit with big kidney benefits. 1. Dandelion greens. Don't dismiss them as weeds. They're packed with flavonoids and natural diuretics to help your body flush out toxins. These greens support both your liver and kidneys, promoting efficient waste removal. They're also rich in vitamins A, C, and K, plus minerals like calcium and iron. Add a handful to salads or smoothies, or try dandelion tea. If you can't find fresh, dried versions, work too. Dandelion greens are a humble but powerful kidney cleanser. There you have it. 10 science-backed foods to help your kidneys detox and function at their best. Remember, real kidney health is about daily habits, not just one magic food. Cut processed salt, stay hydrated, and make small, sustainable changes. Which foods do you already eat? Which surprised you? Tell us in the comments. Don't miss our next video on symptoms of low testosterone and how to boost it naturally. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Your kidneys are worth protecting every day. Thanks for watching.